Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of AI and exploring how these incredible tools are revolutionizing different fields. From creating videos to driving cars, AI is changing the game. Let's jump right in. So before we dive in, I want to thank Scalar School of Technology that they helped me knowing about these amazing tools in Young Innovator Internship Program 2.0. AI can assist in research and idea generation with tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT 4.0. You can search new ideas. So, for example, I want a project on computer networks. I can search on uh, ChatGPT that make a project on computer network, and it will give me ideas. See how easy it is. So you can see that it is giving me many points. It has given me 9 or 10 points, including conclusion and future trends. Now to the next point. Now next is AI power facial recognition technology that is revolutionizing security and convenience. System like Face++ can accurately identify individuals, enhancing security systems. AI is making waves in health monitoring too. Wearables devices like Apple Watch can track vital signs irregularities through AI. One of the most exciting tools of AI is in autonomous driving. Companies like Tesla are leveraging AI to develop self-driving cars that help to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make driving more efficient. AI is transforming the online shopping experience with visual try-ons. Apps like Lenskart and Virtuosize use AI to let you virtually try clothes and wearables. Ever wanted to compose music but does not know how? You can make songs through AI in seconds. Here, for example, I have used Wondershare Filmora AI music tool. See how I can use it. First, I will go audio. Then here is AI music tool. I can try for free. First, I will go for mood. For mood, I will choose mysterious, uh, cinematic, and then try for free. It takes time, but it gives a good one. Results. First, download it. It has given three results. We can increase the results, but three is more than enough. See how easy it is, and three are all different. So let's go to the next. AI can generate stunning images from scratch. Tools like Microsoft Image Designer and Art Breeder enable you to create unique artwork according to your imagination. Here, as you can see, I have used Microsoft Image Designer and I will type as India has won the World Cup, and so I will type for India won the World Cup, and it will give me impressive images, very good images. It takes time, but it will give good images to me. And you can see how good images these are. So now let's go to the next point. AI's capability in image recognition are impressive. AI can identify objects, faces, and even emotion in photos. This technology is widely used in security, retail, and social media platforms for tagging and organizing images. Here, for example, I have used Pop AI for identifying an image of a flower. I have pasted it, and I will ask the AI for identifying it, and it will tell me the details of it. So it has told me that it is hibiscus flower. So that's how impressive it is. So we go to the next one. AI access data analysis of documents. You can process and analyze large volume of text quickly and helps to summarize the document. So here I have used Pop AI. So I have pasted mine cybersecurity PPT, as you can see, and it has given the analysis of the document. And if I ask for summary, it will also give me the summary of it. So I will ask for summary. Loading. So it has also given me summary about it. Now move to the last and next point. The last but not least, AI can convert text into videos, creating amazing visuals without any filming. Tools like Synthesia allows you to generate videos featuring realistic effects. So here I have used Wondershare Filmora. Here there it is AI text to video. For example, I will try have it. Here I will write make a video on AI tools. That's the uh, so I will ask it for make a video on AI tools, and I will try for. So the video is being generated. It just takes seconds to make a video. See how fast his AI is. So see every editing it is. So I will start the video. So it has made the video. If you be precise, more precise, it will make better video, and it will be very good. So that's it for today. And there you have it, 10 incredible ways AI is changing the game across various fields. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon.